Hey guys, good night. It's about 6:30 on Thursday. Want to get some video training in. No one's here in the office to train, so I figured a video would help with some training. I went over instance sets yesterday, but I do want to recap it for everyone on the team because we've been having some dilemmas. And as you see, our one got did boards looking great. Everyone has goals and they want to get on demos. But we can all agree that our problem is lack of demos, okay? And guys, demos solve all problems. If you can get on demos, we'll get recruits, sales, and we'll, have so many more opportunities. So I just want to train really quick on instance sets, okay? I wrote some stuff on my board here. So instance sets are 2 qualified demos set by customer within 4 days, okay? That's really crucial and important, guys. It has to be within 4 days, all right? We cannot let things slide and change things around with the structure of that. When we do, whatever we have set up as far as appointments, they become lackluster. They reschedule a couple of times or indefinitely, and it's not set in stone, okay? When you guys give me a call and tell me, hey, I got instance, and you send me a picture of just a name and a phone number, guys, that's a referral written on the paper. It's not an instant. An instant is a customer booked appointment with all its information, nothing missing. There's an address, time, phone number, marital status, everything. Qualify your appointments. Guys, you have full-time jobs, and I know the Rainbow is, for most of you, something part-time. You want your time to be valuable. Okay, so it's really, really important for you to qualify your instance because these are solid appointments you're actually going to. You want to make sure you're not wasting your time or the customers. So once again, 2 qualified demos set by the customer within 4 days. Okay, maybe if you send it to me and I can stretch it out to 1 more day, we can try for that. Okay, but I can't have a customer not setting 1 instant, and then you calling from the 10 leads, booking another appointment, and calling that an instant set. That is not an instant set, okay? An instant set is booked by the customer in the demo before you practically show your Rainbow system, okay? In some cases, people call and reach out. They'll probably book 1 demo, 1 instant, and the other one's in the air. And then maybe someone will reach back out or call them back during the demonstration. Fill that out thoroughly. Stop what you're doing. Let the customer speak to that person because you don't know what you're going to get out of this demo. If it's a sale, awesome. But you still have 2 more places to go. Okay? And that seems to be what we are all lacking here. Somewhere to go. Okay, how do we solve that? We have the problem. Let's look for the solution together. And the solution is to be more structured and strong on our instance sets. Okay, I have many instance sets here on my desk, and they're missing information. They're 10 days out. Doesn't work like that. Okay, if an instance set is 10 days out, that falls into the category of the 14-day program. Then you need to let your customer know, listen, come on, that machine's $160 and you saw how awesome the Rainmate is, okay? I think you need to get on that phone and come on. I know you can find 2 people that'll do this for you so you can get that awesome machine. You have to show the importance of the Rainmate, okay? Because if you have your customer booking an appointment 10 days later, more than likely, I guarantee it's going to reschedule, 1. Or 2, that's usually what's been happening. They've been rescheduling. Or 2, the customer is waiting for the Rainmate before that. And they mixed up everything you just said. They heard the 4 days, but they thought they were getting their Rainmate in 4 days. They didn't understood that you need to see that demo within 4 days. So I need you guys to be very thorough in explaining that. But, of course, I need to make sure that you understand that before you go ahead and transfer that to your customer. So, if there is something you can't remember from what I'm saying, it's right here, guys. Instant set rules. And no, it's not in Spanish only. Spanish is the first part, and the second part is in English. And I'm sure it's a little bit weird for all of us, but I'm pretty sure you can read it also, okay? 2 instant set demos must be completed within 96 hours. That's the first rule. Second rule is customer must be buying or own their home. No renters. Third rule is if married, engaged, or living together, both parties must watch entire presentation. Okay. Fourth rule must be between 21 and 65. Fifth rule, husband or wife must have a full-time job or comfortably retired. These are important things that we need to do to qualify all of our demonstrations. You know, all of them, but more than so for instant sets. You're in that home. You want to maximize what you get out of it. 2 demos within 4 days. Guys, remember, 2 and 4. Pretty easy. 2 demos, 4 days, you get your arraignment. Okay? 4 demos total in 14 days, they get 2 gifts. Okay? The arraignment and 1 gift from the 14-day program, owner or non-owner. Okay? So that's my training tonight. We need to focus more on getting solid instant sets. You know, there's people getting 4 instant sets per each demo. Guys, if they can do it, we're marvelous. Why can't we? Okay? All of you are smart and awesome people here in our office, and I know that this is a breeze for you. We just have to be more structured with attaining those instant sets. Okay? So it's really important. I know that we're so excited and we're thinking, get that sale, get that recruit. But you have to remember, you don't know if you're going to get that sale or recruit. But you can't guarantee that. But you can put more of your effort and guaranteeing to having 2 more places to go to get that sale and get that recruit. So it's very, very important that we work on the basics. The rainbow sells itself. Don't oversell yourself in a demo. Okay? Focus on the little things. Little things matter. We all know that. Okay? So, again, recapping. 2 qualified appointments booked by the customer, not by you. Is it fair for you to do the work and for the customer to get the prize? I don't think so. Okay? So 2 qualified demos booked by the customer for us to see those 2 appointments within 4 days, and then they receive their arraignment. No questions asked. Okay? If you guys have any questions after I post this, go ahead and ask in group me. Another thing I wanted to address is if you have received your arraignment from a raffle that was from a home show, please watch how you divert that or how you portray that in a demonstration, because you don't want to tell a customer, hey, I got my arraignment free, but then you're explaining to them that you need 2 appointments to get them theirs free. It seems pretty contradicting, and we definitely are not that kind of company. It's just that we don't do raffles all the time in home shows, okay? But we don't want the customer feeling that, you know, we're being, you know, dishonest about that, because we aren't. The truth is that you possibly won yours at a home show, and that's awesome. But at that moment in time when you're in that home, you're not at a home show, okay? You're with the customer. So please do not reiterate the fact that you got your arraignment free for us coming out to see you, because that's not everyone's case scenario. So remember, let them know 2 appointments within 4 days, qualified. After we see them, they get the arraignment, okay? After that, those 4 days, if they submit 2 more appointments, they can get another gift from the 14-day program. And we have to work on showing our customers more about the 14-day program gifts, because I've been calling everyone's 14-day programs, and the customers are saying they don't know what I'm talking about, which means that they don't, you know, they probably have the 14-day paperwork, the program, the paperwork, but they have no clue what I'm talking about. Guys, take the extra 5 minutes, show them the gifts, talk to them about it, see which one they want, excite them about it. Would you rather take those 5 minutes and do that and possibly get 2 more appointments, or come sit in the office with me and call a limited amount of phone calls hoping to get a demo? It's pretty obvious which one's easier, okay? So you guys have an awesome night. Tomorrow is Friday. We're going to be doing training at 1 o'clock and at 6:30 again. So reach out to me. Want to see you guys in here. Everyone wants the prize, but they don't want the race. Come on, guys. Let's jump in the race. St. Augustine is an awesome trip. I'm so glad we are going to St. Augustine again because I missed the first one, and I'm ready for this one. So it's just 10 demos, guys. Come on. So let's get it going. Let's get it kicked off. And you guys have a blessed night. Thank you.